London-based Nothing has spun off CMF, its budget-friendly sub-brand, into an independent subsidiary headquartered in India, backed by $100 million investment and a 1,800 job creation plan with Indian electronics giant Optiemus Infracom from Noida, Uttar Pradesh. CMF will run manufacturing and research and development for global exports, turning India into the beating heart of Nothing's affordable tech ambitions. Carl Pei built OnePlus into a cult brand by spotting gaps in a crowded market. In his own words, he learned early that you don't need everyone to love you, just a niche that loves you deeply. End quote. With Nothing, he applied the same contrarian formula. Design-driven differentiation first, tech moat later. Now CMF gets to sharpen that focus independently, free to chase the under $200 segment without diluting Nothing's mid-premium positioning. This move rides on a wider manufacturing revolution we've tracked on Front Page. The From Nothing to Everything story, if you remember, where India is no longer just assembling iPhones or pixels. It's exporting to the world. With PLI incentives, US-China trade tensions, and supply chain shocks forcing Apple to airlift iPhones from Chennai, India is now a frontline tech manufacturing hub. CMF joins Oppo, Realme, and Motorola in exporting devices made in India to global markets. $100 million investment over 3 years, 1,800 new jobs, 2% share of India's smartphone market, 85% year-on-year shipment growth, which is IDC Q2 2025, backed by Nothing's $200 million Series C at a $1.3 billion valuation. Budget smartphones still dominate India. 42% of Q2 2025 shipments priced $100 to a $200 bracket. Chinese brands perfected this playbook. Xiaomi with POCO, Oppo with Realme, Huawei with Honor, to attack the value segment without diluting their premium lines. Nothing mirrors that strategy. Nothing keeps its $400 to $600 mid-premium focus, while CMF captures the fastest growing $100 to a $300 bracket. IDC's Navkender Singh calls it a logical split to protect brand equity while chasing volume. End quote. Pei promises to make CMF India's first truly global smartphone brand. With Himanshu Tandon, ex-POCO VP, now leading CMF's business, and Optimus bringing world-class manufacturing muscle, the goal is not just local success, but global exports. Over year, headphones launch next week. Smartphones and wearables will follow. The $100 million infusion is serious, but so is the competition. Realme, POCO, and Lava already fight for the same sub-$200 wallet share. Supply chain discipline and scale will decide if CMF can turn its design-first DNA into sustained global shipments. From gaming-obsessed dropout to OnePlus co-founder to Nothing's provocateur-in-chief, Carl Pei has always thrived by spotting market gaps. CMF's spin-off is his boldest bet yet. Using India's manufacturing ascendancy to create a global budget tech brand, designed in London, built in India, shipped worldwide. The question isn't whether CMF can survive, it's whether it can become the POCO or Realme of the 2030s, proving that the next wave of affordable innovation will proudly say, invented for the world, made in India.